Welcome to the universe, Buzz. Have you ever wondered what would happen if an asteroid were on a collision course with Earth? Movies like Armageddon and Deep Impact make it look dramatic, but the threat of an asteroid impact is very real. In fact, about 100 tons of space debris, including asteroid fragments, enter Earth's atmosphere every day. Today, we'll explore what would happen if an asteroid struck our planet, and how we can protect ourselves from such a disaster. What are asteroids? Asteroids are rocky, airless remnants from the early formation of our solar system over 4.6 billion years ago. They orbit the Sun, mostly in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. While most asteroids are harmless and stay within the asteroid belt, some get knocked out of their orbits and head toward Earth. What happens if an asteroid hits Earth? First, the size of the asteroid matters. If a small asteroid, say the size of a car, were to hit Earth, it would likely burn up in the atmosphere and cause little harm. However, if an asteroid the size of a 20-story building struck, it could flatten an entire city. And if a large asteroid, like the one that caused the dinosaur extinction, hit, it would trigger global devastation. How can we be protected? So, how do we protect ourselves from a potential asteroid strike? NASA and other space agencies are constantly scanning the skies for asteroids that could pose a threat to Earth. This is part of what's called planetary defense. But detecting an asteroid is only the first step. There are several strategies to divert an asteroid from hitting Earth, depending on the size and speed of the object. One idea is to send a spacecraft to gently nudge the asteroid off course using a technique called a gravity tractor. Another is to send a spacecraft to collide with the asteroid and change its trajectory, a method called kinetic impact. In some cases, lasers could be used to heat one side of the asteroid, to push it away. And as a last resort, nuclear explosions could be used to break the asteroid into smaller, less dangerous pieces. International coordination. Asteroid defense is not just the responsibility of one country, it's a global issue. If an asteroid is headed our way, nations around the world would need to work together to implement these strategies. International organizations and governments are preparing for such a scenario, but public awareness and education are just as important. While the chances of a large asteroid hitting Earth are low, the potential damage is enough that we need to be prepared. Thanks to scientists, astronomers, and space agencies working together, we're getting better at detecting and defending against asteroid threats. Who knows, maybe one day you could be part of the mission that saves the planet from an asteroid. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos about the wonders and dangers of space. Stay curious and stay safe.